Need to change directories in PowerShell? Whether you're navigating between folders or switching drives, knowing the right commands makes your workflow smoother. In this tutorial, I'll show you all the ways to change the working directory in PowerShell, from basic commands to advanced shortcuts. First, we'll use set location, which is the primary command for changing directories. Then we'll look at CD and CHDIR, which are just shortcuts for set location. Next, we'll explore push location and pop location, which allow you to temporarily change directories and return to your original location. We'll also cover relative paths, which let you move up levels using ... Then we'll see how to quickly access your home directory using the tilde symbol. And finally, we'll use environment variables like $env:"user profile to jump to specific system folders. Now that we have an overview, let's go step by step. Before changing directories, let's check where we are. To do this, type get-location and press enter. This will display your current working directory. Knowing this helps you navigate more efficiently. Now let's change directories using the main command set location. For example, if you want to move to the documents folder, type set-location c:\users\your name\documents, press enter, and you'll see that the prompt updates to reflect the new directory. Instead of typing set location every time, you can use CD or CHDIR. Both work the same way. For example, you can simply type cd c:\users\your name\documents and press enter. The result is the same as set location. If you're trying to switch drives, for example from C to D, using CD alone won't work. Instead, type the drive letter followed by a colon. For example, D:. This switches to the D drive. After that, you can use CD to move within that drive, like this CD projects. Now you're inside the projects folder on the D drive. Next, let's talk about push location and pop location. These commands are useful when you need to temporarily switch directories and then return to your original location. Let's say you're in the documents folder but need to quickly switch to the desktop. Instead of manually navigating back later, you can save your current location with push-location c:\users\your name\desktop. Now you're in the desktop folder. When you're done, just type pop-location, and PowerShell takes you right back to where you started. Now let's talk about relative paths. If you need to move up one level, use CD ... This takes you to the parent directory. To move up two levels, type cd ... relative paths. Make navigation faster without needing to type full directory names. You can also quickly jump to your home directory using the tilde symbol. Just type cd tilde and press enter. This takes you to your user profile folder, which is the same as cd $env:"user profile. Speaking of environment variables, these are handy shortcuts for system folders. For example, to go to the temporary files folder, type cd $env:"temp. This saves time instead of typing the full file path. Let's do a quick recap. Use set location or SL to change directories. Use CD or CHDIR as shortcuts. Switch drives by typing the drive letter followed by a colon. Use push location and pop location for temporary navigation. Move up levels with ... Use tilde to go to your home directory, and use environment variables for quick access to system folders. And that's it. You now know all the ways to change the working directory in PowerShell. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.